Derek the mechanic here again. About to work on a 1998 GMC 1500 pickup. They basically called me over here to do a bleed the brakes, and they was complaining that the truck was leaning, that it was pulling to the right. Well, this was the problem I found. Wheel bearings gone. So I'm gonna take this rotor off. I'm gonna put new outer and inner wheel bearings on here. This is the outer, this is the inner. So I'm gonna get this rotor up off here, put new wheel bearings in. What it was doing, had the wheel leaning outward this way, and they was driving it. So eventually it would have messed something up. So I caught it. You know, they didn't know what was the problem, but yeah, I'm about to get this rotor up off here. Go buy a new wheel bearing assembly set with the raceway already. Put these on. Take this hub nut off, axle nut off. Put them back on, man. They'll be happy customer. But that's what I do. Derek the mechanic, and I gotta bleed the brakes, do some other stuff. He had some work done on the rear end. They didn't put no gear oil back, so I'm gonna put some 80-90 weight gear oil in the differential. Got to do that too. Get that straight. So that's what I do. I'm gonna refill it up, you know. But that's what's happening with this. Like I say, that's what the problem was. The wheel bearings are gone on this. That's why that wheel was sitting out. So look how loose this thing is. Just shaking it with my hand. And I just took the tire off. And this guy's been driving this truck. So this could have caused a lot of damage, man. But give me a call. You need some work. 512-851-6165. Thank you.